What's up, Los Angeles? Ladies and gentlemen, the reigning gentleman, 155-pound gentleman, the notorious gentleman, McGregor!
I couldn't hear anything those motherfuckers said, but 20,000.
Gentlemen!
It's mind blowing. I always said, what can I say? It's mind blowing. I'm just enjoying myself. I'm just enjoying it.
LA, we'd like to welcome the undefeated
Gentlemen!
12-time world
Gentlemen!
none other than Floyd Money Mayweather!
Hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work. All work is what? All work is what? Hard work. Why is 21 a number? All work is what? All work is what? Hard work. Yeah. Hey, he look good for us.
Gentlemen!
We talking about.
Gentlemen!
Hard